Hello, I'm Zorab and this is Byther Farm, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of perennial weeds easily and naturally. Perennial weeds can be a real nuisance. They spread quickly and they can very rapidly take over quite a large area, as they have done here. I'm at the back of the piggeries where the chickens spend a lot of their time, and I want to get to grips with the stinging nettles and the brambles that are here. Now, I'm not going to cut down the dead nettles. I'm going to leave them. I've just been squashing them flatter onto the ground. There could still be seeds on them, so I don't want to drag them all over the place, dropping seeds everywhere. So I flatten them down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to kill these off by smothering the weeds, which means getting a layer over the top of them and excluding the light from them, which means they won't be able to photosynthesize, they won't be able to feed, and so hopefully they'll stop growing. What we've got here is a mixture of stinging nettles, where you can see how tall these got to. They were as tall as me. Hogweed, which also was tall. This isn't the giant hogweed, which is really nasty stuff, can damage your skin. This is more of a garden hogweed, but still I don't want it here. And also lots and lots of brambles. So these are wild blackberry plants. The blackberry plants I will need to cut back, take away their long canes, because anything that touches the ground may well root again. So I'll take those away, and I'll need to dig out those roots as best I can. But the stinging nettles, I can just cover and smother. Now, there are 3 simple ways to cover these. Hello. The 3 simplest ways to smother weeds is to use a tarpaulin, which works really well, or a weed suppressing membrane, which is what we're going to use, or you can use a thick layer of cardboard and get a good thick layer of wood chips over the top of that. And I really like doing that. I like the cardboard and wood chip method. However, this is the area where the chickens live. They scratch constantly all day long, and my concern is that they will just move all those wood chips out of the way, scratch at the cardboard, and let the light get onto these plants, and away they'll grow again. So we're using weed suppressing membrane to cover this area. Aren't we, Jackie Jack? Yes! Once the weed suppressing membrane is down on the ground, we'll need to find a way to hold it down, to stop the wind picking up and blowing it all over the garden, and also to stop these feathered friends of mine from scratching it and breaking it. So we are going to bring over some very large pallets and lay those over the top of it, which will A, protect it, B, hold it down, and C, give them something that they can climb on, so that whole area doesn't become a no-go area. It's an alternative playground for them. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, or leave a comment, or both. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel. We're warm now. So we've got the first run of weed suppressing membrane down, and we have put the pallets on top of it. In a couple of places here and there where we've got a double layer of pallets. That's only a temporary basis. We've brought them over ready for the next layer. So this needs to be down for a good year to absolutely be sure that we've killed off most of these weeds, and even then we may, when we peel the tarpaulin back, we may have some roots to deal with. But what I want to do is show you what it looks like when your weed suppressing membrane or tarpaulin has been down for a year. And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for the day, I hope it's a positive one. And I also hope you'll join me again next time.